Now, they've blown themselves out and we're seeing the winds easing here, but further north we're still going to experience gusts up to around 50 miles an hour, particularly through northern England, North Wales, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland through this afternoon, and with some tree debris we could also have some tricky travelling conditions. But then we'll see those winds easing away tonight before they strengthen from the south over many western and northern areas during tomorrow, and then they stay from a mild southerly direction but less strong as we go through the next few days, but a little bit lighter in parts of the southeast, so we could have some problems from early morning mist and fog by the end of the week. But during the last 24 hours, it's showers that's been peppering the country, coming in from the west and those strong winds, and some of them are really being quite beefy and hefty with thunderstorms as well. Now, most of the showers for this afternoon are going to be across much of Scotland and northern England. Across Northern Ireland, Wales, down into southern parts of England, we'll see a drier, brighter scenario with more in the way of sunshine, and with those winds steadily easing, it's not going to feel too bad for early November with highs of 12 to 14. But in those windier conditions to the north, 9 to 12 is not going to feel particularly warm. And tonight it's a chilly one for parts of the east, particularly in northeast Scotland where we could see a local frost. But out in the west, as we see those strengthening southerly winds and more in the way of cloud, temperatures no lower than 7 or 8 degrees. Now, that's all coming in from this Atlantic frontal system. That'll be edging its way into parts of Northern Ireland, western northern Scotland as we go through the morning. Thickening cloud, those strengthening winds up to gale force from the south with some outbreaks of rain. That tumbling across Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland through the afternoon. But for more eastern and southern parts of Scotland, England and Wales, it looks a much drier and brighter picture with plenty of autumnal sunshine, particularly the further east you are. Now, temperatures responding to that up to around 14 or 15, but we can see much cooler weather up towards the north, but still not too bad at 12 to 14. Now, for Wednesday, a dry and bright picture for many central and eastern areas, more cloud out towards the west, and it'll be wet and windy in the far north. But for many of us on bonfire night, it does look as though it should be dry but quite breezy, although we'll see some rain in the far west and the north. Certainly we will see a lot of cloud and rain here during Wednesday night, but that'll start to make its way back further westwards as we go through the day on Thursday, leaving many places dry and bright after that early morning mist and fog. Now back to you, Anna. Thank you.